Hello guys, welcome back. I want you guys to marinate this chicken for me. This chicken is so big. Let me show you the drumstick. Sijui kwa wapi. Ona vile drumstick inatoshana. This chicken is so big. Ni Kienyeji chicken. So I want you to help me marinate it. To marinate it for me. So tutakuwa tunatumia hii ni paste ya garlic. I think nitakuwa na explain tu nikiweka so that we save time. And I know you cannot see the chicken right there, yes, like that. So hii ni paste ya garlic. Hii inasaidia soften kuku. So we just splash it around like that. I like to pre-blend my garlic and whatever mixture so that when I am cooking I do not have to go through the wahala. Hii ni turmeric. This is turmeric, so turmeric kidogo. Okay, hiyo si kidogo. Turmeric, and then we'll use this paprika. Not a lot of it. And then this is curry powder. Napenda curry powder ya kitambo. Inakuwa na flavor. Mingi. You cannot compare it to these other whatevers. So curry powder. This one I like to use a generous amount. Actually considering that the chicken is so big, naona tuongeze ka curry powder kadogo. And then this is garlic powder. We are also going to mix it in. I also like to be very generous with the garlic powder. And then nilikuwa nimesahau niko na onion powder. This is onion powder. I know it's not labeled, but mimi napikanga peke yangu kwa hii kitchen, so this is onion powder. Let us ongeza kidogo so that for the flavor. Onion powder is very flavorful, so the much the better. And then garlic tushaweka. This is black pepper. So we put black pepper in. So far hiki ni kijiko yangu haiwezi fikia. So tunafikia na hii part ya kijiko kubwa. This is black pepper, tuweke tu kidogo because isikuwe kali sana. And then this is soy sauce. Hii ni soy sauce, so tuweke soy sauce kidogo, generous kidogo. Yeah, like that for the flavor. Alafu sasa tuweke ini mafuta. This chicken is so big. Nilikuwa naona we fry nusu yake, alafu hii nusu nyingine we bake it because na alafu iko na mafuta mingi, so I'm not going to use a lot of mafuta. Now the problem comes here because sitaki kucha zangu zisiteniwe na turmeric. So let us see if this is going to help with the turning, and I don't know, it's not going to help, I swear. Lini wezi kuja unimixia hapa? Sitaki kucha zangu zipate turmeric. Lin. Okay, the nini is to mix it up like that. Wezi kuja unimixia hapa? Sitaki kucha zangu zipate turmeric. Like na mkono. Okay, so the trick ni kumix mpaka hizo spices. It's not doing it. This one is not doing it. Acha niongeze nini kidogo. Mix sasa. Your hands are clean. Haya, mix basi. So guys, after kumix, this is how it looks like. Let me give you a close up. This imemixiwa na hizo spices zote. Nipatie hiyo cling film. So now we're just going to tunaifunika. Tunangoja mpaka like 2 to 3 hours. And then we come back and bake it. Tutabake nusu alafu ingine we will just fry. Because hii kuku ni kubwa. So, mwambie alete sai. Mwambie tutoke. Yeah. So, we're going to close it up like that. Na hii cling film. Hivyo. Alafu tutangoja sasa. Tutangoja for the spices to do their thing. To do what they're supposed to do. Then now we will come back, yes?
Much later.
Our food is ready. Guys, checking it drumstick jamani. Ona. Hii ni drumstick ya kuku ama ni ya ng'ombe? Ama ni mguu ya ng'ombe? Look at that. Yani, hata sielewi what this is. Imagine this is a drumstick. Look at that. Wow. Oh, this is weird. So, nitakuzima hapa hii chakula sasa. I'm going to freeze it. Tutakuwa shallow fry tu pole tukikula. Yeah.